back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Mini-O-Grabox from Feckin for the month of June. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is only 279 rupees. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. Plus, I have additional information for you, which I will be telling you in the end. So stay connected. Now let's just quickly open this and see what all it has. So first thing is this. This is the info card, you can say. It says June Mini-O-Grabox, and on the other side we have all the product list here. So let's start with the first product. First one is a lipstick by Yancy, and this is the Dazzle color lipstick. This is the one. And the price for this one is 500 rupees. Let me just open this. The packaging looks really nice. The shade number is 02. And let me just open this. Okay, so this is how it looks. And a new brand for me. So yes, I'm looking forward for it. Wow, the color is so pretty. I love pink, and this is a beautiful pink here. Let me just put some here on my hand. And this is some close to Candy Yum Yum, which is one of my favorite actually from MAC. So this colors look a bit similar to that. So really happy. 500 is the price, and of course for me this is the star product. I'm loving it. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is eyeshadow palette from SFR. So this is the one. Looks nice. Let me just open this and show you. So these are the shades. 4 different shades are there, and looks really pretty, very compact. And you know the brand SFR, it's quite decent brand. The price for this one is 300 rupees. Yes, I'm liking it. Moving on to the next one. The next one is a waterproof pencil gel eyeliner, and this is again from SFR. The color looks really nice, bluish purplish kind of a shade. This is the shade. Let me just put it here on my hand. I think then it will be visible. It's all melted, so that's why it's not really happening here, but you can just see the shade. This shade. So this is the shade, and I love color eye pencils, so super happy with this one. 100 rupees is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a aloe vera mask from Leque Beauty. So this is the one. The price for this one is again 100 rupees. Of course, very useful product, especially in summers. Yes, you need extra care for your face, so face mask for that. And now I'm left with the last one. Last one is a jewelry, and this is the Tri Jhumki oxidized earring. The price for these one are 250 rupees. And have a look. They are really pretty. So this is the look. Of course, I will be wearing it and showing it to you. Let me just wear both of these actually. So wow, this is the look, and let me wear the other one as well. So this is the look, really pretty. Price is 250, and this is the last product in the box. The total worth of all the product is 1250 rupees, which is amazing. 1250 is the price, like the total worth. You are just paying 279 rupees for these, and I actually loved it. Very beautiful earrings. Then the kajal is nice. Then the eyeshadow palette is nice. Then lipstick is good. Then face mask is very useful. So yes, super happy with this month's edition. And now, yes, I said I have some extra information, or you can say really good information, which is that Grabox has a giveaway this month, and you will be getting a free Mini-O-Grabox. What you have to do, let me tell you. You just have to create a beautiful eye makeup look, and just tag Grabox, and then you can stand a chance to win free Mini-O-Grabox for June month, which is amazing. So I will be mentioning the link in the description box for Grabox, and then you can buy your box and create a makeup look, and of course then you can stand a chance to win Mini-O-Grabox. So this is the offer of the month card which I have here. Let me just read it out. It says create an eye makeup look using product of June Mini-O-Grabox. 3 lucky winners will get July Mini-O-Grabox absolutely free, and the date for it is 30th June. So this is all the information. I will be mentioning everything in the description box, so don't worry about it. And that's all for today for Grabbox. And one more thing, yes, I have to announce my giveaway winner. So most probably I will be doing that tomorrow. Sorry, I was busy. So yes, I will be announcing the winner tomorrow. So hurry up, guys. You have this day, like today. I will be announcing it tomorrow. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.